All 7 of the Cheer Centers throughout Sussex County offer a broad variety of programs, activities, and services that make the quality of life here so attractive. The Allen Community Center in Georgetown is a special facility offering a broader range of programs and services to seniors and the community at large. And that's just the beginning. If you live anywhere near Georgetown, this is where the action is.
Change legs.
Come and do it. Come and try it.
I want to stay fit. Maybe make me live longer. I don't know.
Using it or losing it, and I don't intend to lose any of it.
This beautiful, multi-purpose facility isn't just for seniors. Does your business or organization need somewhere to hold a conference or special event? The Allen Community Center is a state-of-the-art facility with everything you could need, including professionally catered meals. This center is also home to the Fit and Fun Fitness Center, featuring the latest in exercise equipment.
Very convenient. Good hours, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Usually I find some time of day to get in here, whether it's early in the morning or later in the evening. So it's great.
Cheer's expert personal trainers can help design a program that's right for you and can guide you toward your fitness goals. If you have a little swing in your step, maybe line dancing or the Slice exercise class is for you.
Line dance every Monday morning for an hour and a half and have a wonderful time. Good exercise, good motor skills in order to get the patterns down straight.
The Allen Community Center also offers yoga classes that help you reduce stress, maintain flexibility, and are just plain fun. Not every activity at Cheer will make you sweat. You can meet some friends for a great meal at the Sand Hill Cafe, play some pool in the game room, have your hair done in the Sand Hill Salon, or maybe just relax with old friends and make some new ones. Many of us have a parent, spouse, family member, or a friend that needs special care. Sure, there are many programs and resources out there that can help, but where do you start? The Allen Community Center has a caregiver resource service to help connect you with the information and the help you need.
The number one concern with caregiving is stress, and a lot of things that cause stress is not knowing. And we try to help relieve the stress by providing the resources.
Cheer is dedicated to providing services to promote and maintain the highest possible quality of life and independence for Sussex County residents. Cheer Centers are helping people stay healthy, active, engaged, and involved in the community.
I love Cheer. It's just open. You come and do what you want, and just being around people that are nice people and enjoy the same things you do. That's why I like Cheer.
For more information, visit www.cheerde.com or call Cheer